Put your hands out in front, loosen your reins. Just listening to her. I just don't think he knows what she's saying.
I think she's used to Stacy telling her what to do.
Yeah. So then just really look around the corner and use your shoulders to open. There you go, to turn. And then when he starts going bendy, like when he starts going Gumby on you, just use your outside rein to set him. So see how he's kind of going Gumby on you? Use your outside rein. There you go. And that gets him a little bit straighter. So right now, then, there you go. You know what I learned from Joe? The most amazing thing, I was 34 when I realized it. Okay, so if you're